Alright, so I'm going to do this video showing just the commands we went over, and then I'll do another one with what I think he's going to actually test us, or how he's going to test us. So first command we do is echo. Echo is as simple as it sounds. How do I repeat the command? So we're going to go ahead and type in echo, and then we'll type in echo. Is it going to work? Yes. Now, in class, he showed us it with quotation marks. So we'll do it again and put the question mark, and it works. Good habit, I would say, just put the question marks, but it doesn't actually need it. So we can do echo testing. It just testing. So whatever happens after the command echo, it's going to echo. Because an echo is a repetition of what you said. Right? So echo's easy. The next one's going to be cat, which the way I'm trying to remember it is capture attention. So capture attention, I want you to show me what's in whatever I'm asking about. So let's do ls real quick. I've got a test files, right? So let's do cat space and then test file 1. And then it shows me literally what's inside of that file. So it's a way to look inside of a document and see exactly what it is. So it's without having to open VI editor or nano, right? So we could also do cat test file 3, cat test file 2, etc., etc. Okay, so that's the cat command. We'll use it again later in the examples. The next one is lsusb. So list USB. So list USB devices. So that's simply lsusb. And it shows all of our devices. Same concept with lsblk, which is list block. So list block device. So lsblk, right? And that lists all of our block device. So you can see it's got all my partitions and my disks, my hard drives, and everything like that. So we have lsusb and lsblock, and then our lsblk. And then we have the whoami command. So this is going to basically spit out whoever the user is. So like when we're logged in at school, usually it's root. For me, I have my name. But you just simply type whoami, and it puts it there. So you can see it just whoever it is, right? So that one's easy. Echo's easy. Whoami is easy. Cat's fairly simple. ls, usb, lsblk. And then the ifconfig. So I keep saying IP config in my head, but ifconfig is the interface configuration. Interface configuration. So ifconfig. All right. So ifconfig. Boom. That's going to show the current setup of the interface configuration. So it's got inet right there. We got receive and transmit packets, all that good stuff, right? So final command is the grep command. Grep command is dependent on other commands, so you can't just type grep. It'll screw up. Trust me, it messed up on me. So what we're gonna do is let's use the lsusb command. So we'll do that real quick. Okay. So the grep command allows me to pick something out of something else based off of a particular thing. So for instance, we have 2 lines of code here that say Linux. So what we'll do is lsusb space, so this is the format you're going to have to use, space, the pipe, which vertical line, and then the word grep, grep, GRabExamples is the way I can remember it. GRabExamPles, GRabExamPles, right? And we're going to put Linux. Now, I'm going to type it in all lowercase. Now watch what happens. Nothing happens because it actually is case sensitive. So if you look at what lsusb has, it's actually capital L on Linux. So if I do the same command again, but this time I type in capital L on Linux, you'll see it pulls everything from lsusb that has Linux in it. It's the whole line, mind you, it's not just the word. So we'll do it again, but we'll type in hub with a capital H. You see there's only one line that has hub with a capital H. And we'll do the exact same command with hub with the lowercase. You see I had 2 lines with hub. So that's all grep does. Grep is a grabbing example tool. GRabExample grep. Okay? And then we'll go over the script real quick. So I'm going to use VI editor, and we're going to call test script .sh. So when you make your script, it has to be in sh, not .txt, .sh. So .sh. Okay? All right. Now, the first thing we got to do in that command is the line hashtag !bin/bash. So he mentioned earlier it's called a hash pling. That was on his list of things we had to know. And the hash pling is the pound sign and the exclamation point. So to start typing, I hit I for insert, and the first thing you're going to type in every time in your script is hashtag ! /, which means I want to go into my bin. So you think of bins like the English word for like trash bin or whatever, but your bin's your box. So it's your box of all your tools. What tool do you want? You want your bash tool. We're going to bash this class with Linux or something. I don't know. Bin. So it's bin bash. I don't know. You're just going to have to memorize it, unfortunately. #! ! /bin /bash. Okay, that has to be the first line. And then you can type as many lines as you want, like this. So anytime you put just the #, that's kind of like the comments we did in C#. Remember C#, we had the 2 /. That was your comment line, so you could write whatever you wanted, and the program wouldn't acknowledge it. Right? So you can type as much as you want. All right, and then we'll do a simple one. We'll do whoami, and then we'll do cat test file 1.txt, and actually we'll just leave it at test file 1, and then we'll do lsusb. Okay, we'll do that for now. Now you can type as many commands as you want. You can make this script as long as you want. Obviously it doesn't matter as long as it's in the file format you start it with. #! !! !bin /bash. All right, so how do I get out? I'm gonna hit escape, then I'm gonna hit :WQ, and that's gonna save and quit out. So now I'm back at my terminal. So now at the beginning of your script you put bin bash, which means I want the tool bash acceptable and ready for me. So I'm gonna use bash, and then what did we call it? Test script.sh. There you go. All right, so you can see it ran whoami, then it pulled test file, then it pulled the lsusb. So that's it. So to go over that again, we're going to go to vi test script.sh. So once again, you must start your script either in vi or nano. You have to name it with a .sh, not a .txt, and you must start the file with hashtag ! ! bin /bash. All right, so that's your script. That's how you do it. We're going to go ahead and :Q, get out of there. And once again, to run the command, I'm going to type simply bash and then the name of the script, which for me is testscript.sh. All right, so that's it. I've uploaded this file already, but I'll re-upload it once I do the video. All right, bye.